In a sanctuary of bloom, sunlight kissed each petal. A trapped golden bird fluttered, its cries lost among the vibrant whispers of the garden. He approached, eyes wise and heavy. Compassion stirred as he reached for the fragile creature, hope shimmering in his chest. The cage flew open. With a flurry of gold, the bird soared. Freedom sung, echoing dreams on the wind. The gift materialized softly. A feather, golden and glowing, a promise of joy felt palpable in the air. They conspired, united by a shared vision. Laughter spilled from their lips, blending with the shimmer of ideas and hopes for their people. Excitement pulsed through the kingdom, yet beneath the surface, worry flickered. Would the joy resonate or fade into silence? The eve loomed large, anxiety humming in the shadows. Heartbeats synced. They shared a moment cloaked in introspection, fear entwined with hope. Morning arrived dressed in color and sound, a tapestry of life unfurled, painting the kingdom with anticipation and magic. Laughter floated like petals on the breeze, faces lit with joy. The festival ignited every heart, weaving a tapestry of togetherness. Together they stood awash in light. The connection enveloped them, hearts swelling as they witnessed the spirit of unity blooming. Night unfolded a canvas of stars and light. In that moment they found solace, hands clasped, hearts beating as one. The festival became a ritual. Every step synchronized, every laugh a note in a familiar melody, hearts entwined in joyous reverberation.